Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. It's James R. Davis Sr. It's your boy, man. Welcome to Real Crypto Talk this morning. Today is November 24th. I apologize. November 24th, 2020. Let's jump right into the markets and see what in the world is going on. All right, here we go. Total market cap is 578 billion, is up 3.8%. Bitcoin's dominance is at 61.2%. Ethereum is at 11.9%. Bitcoin just crossed over $19,000 a coin, folks. We are definitely pushing through, approaching the all-time highs, approaching $20,000 a coin. Look at this market cap, 354 billion. That's crazy. That's insane. Ethereum, it's cost over $600. XRP, oh my freaking god! If you're holding XRP, you are excited right about now because you're up 117% in the past 7 days. Bitcoin Cash is sitting at 0.1%. Chainlink 0.9%. Let's look at the past 24 hours. Stellar up 40%, XRP up 28%, Dash up 23%, Vitae up 19%, Horizon 17%, NIM up 16%. Biggest losers, Sushi down 13%, Ocean Protocol down 6%, Waves down 5%, Numeraire down 5%, Balancer down 5.6%, Yarn Finance down 4.2%. Crazy stuff. Let's see who's winning the past hour. Quant, Cycon, empty set dollar. What the hell is that? Hulu and Terra. Some crazy stuff in crypto, guys. Last hour, Kusama is taking a dip. Risen is taking a dip. Oh my God, Network is taking a dip. IOTA taking a dip. Thorchain, Nano. Good stuff. Let's go ahead and jump right into the news, folks. Gazprom Bank Switzerland execute first Bitcoin trades, announced payments initiative. Bitcoin market cap hits a new all-time high and surpasses JPMorgan. Did I just not highlight that fact? We're going to be talking about that today. Binance to list options contracts for Litecoin. Wow. Yeah, expect Litecoin to kind of make a run up as well. You might want to load your bags up on Litecoin. Not giving you financial advice, but make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, turn on the post notifications. Australian investment group with billions in AUM starts investing in Bitcoin futures. BIS report suggests embedded monitoring tool for stable coins. Bitcoin breaks 19K. All new time high seems imminent. Yes, indeed. While Bitcoin price just hit 19,000 for the first time in 3 years. These articles are going to be pushing out all week, folks. I'm telling you, the news is all you're going to be talking about. All the news stations, financial news stations anyway, not the major news stations. They ain't going to be talking about this. They should, but they're not. Anyway, excuse me. Crypto.com seriously secures regulatory approvals from Maltese authorities. Good stuff. XRP price surge to 2-year high as airdrop frenzy builds. Simple steps to get started trading Bitcoin. Crypto.com takes steps towards financial license in Malta. Wow, that's my spot. Yeah, very crypto friendly city, folks. Just give you some free game. Japanese financial giant SBI debuts Bitcoin lending services. Wow, good stuff. XRP spikes to 90 cents. Crashes in seconds as Coinbase goes down. I want to mention this real quick, folks. If you're new to cryptocurrency, please understand Coinbase is not a place you want to store your crypto. It is a place you want to buy, and it is a place that you could cash out. I use it all the time to cash out. So, yeah, man, they need to fix this because I'm talking about, just think about if you had $2 million in crypto, and it jumped up to 90 cents, and that went up to like $5 million. And then it crashed on you. You couldn't sell. You know you just lost $3 million because Coinbase crashed. So I just want to throw that out there, guys. And for those of you that don't know this, they got a history of this shit. It's fucking pathetic. All the money they make, they need to fix that shit. It's crazy. Anyway, I hate it for people that lost their money, man. You know what I'm saying? 92 cents. Oh, god damn. Anyway, DeFi's biggest names contribute to 1.1 billion investment in D-Hedge fund managers. Guys, there's so much money in crypto. Bitcoin hits the front page of the Wall Street Journal. Uh-oh. ETH 2.0 deposit contract secures enough funds to launch what? The smart contract required for triggering ETH 2.0 has enough funds to begin activation of its most ambitious upgrade yet. Holy shit. Ethereum is about to take off. It's confirmed for December 1st launch, just hours before the deadline. And as you can see, it is swimming up or floating up or whatever that backdrop is. Oh, there's another ETH. I mean, hey, it is what it is. Key Bitcoin Ethereum options metrics show traders are wildly bullish and saying, yes, indeed, we are. IRS warns crypto investors they are underreported gains. Underreported their gains. So, guys, please make sure you're doing the right thing by the IRS. You need to download you some software, some apps, and let it do what it do. The links are below, just in case. So the news that I wanted to talk about today is really two. I'm gonna come back later today and talk about another real crypto talk because it's crazy, folks. What the sentiment is starting to surface, which is Bitcoin is about to take over gold. You have gold bugs, people that built their fortunes on gold, starting to say that, then that's huge because it's about $10 trillion in gold right now. And so, man, if Bitcoin takes over gold, which we've been saying that for a long time anyway, because gold is finite. I mean, you can dig up gold all kind of places. Uh, there's a limited supply to Bitcoin, guys. That's why it's one of the main reasons why so many people are starting to flock into this space because they're starting to realize that. Now, on to the article. Bitcoin market cap hits new all-time high and surpasses JPMorgan at $352 billion. Bitcoin outperforms JPMorgan in terms of market capitalization shortly after the firm's CEO said Bitcoin is not my cup of tea. Jamie Dimon, man, he is hilarious, bro. He's really, and for those of you that have been following me for a while, I speak about this guy because he's just the biggest fraud I feel in American history that has not been in jail yet. It's crazy. Anyway, amid an ongoing parabolic bull run, Bitcoin is breaking another major milestone in terms of its market capitalization against American banking giant JP Morgan. On November 24th, Bitcoin surpassed the 19,000 mark for the first time since December 2017, breaking another all-time record in its market cap. At publishing time, Bitcoin's market cap is $352 billion, up from $345 billion 24 hours ago. Let's look and see what Coinbase has it as. The current market cap of Bitcoin. 354 now. CoinGecko has it at 355. My goodness. Yeah, it's about to get insane, guys. When you capture that kind of attention, I mean, can you imagine billionaires waking up this morning reading the news, realizing that, wait a minute, Bitcoin's market cap is past JP Morgan's? Huh. Jesus. Yeah, it's crazy. At publishing time, Bitcoin's market cap 352 up 350. Okay. According to data from macro trends, JPMorgan's market cap closes at 349 billion on November 23rd. Earlier this year, JP Morgan's market cap dropped to as low as $258 billion. And this is the Bitcoin chart, the all-time Bitcoin chart. And I tell you folks, that's just a thing of beauty. It's a thing of beauty. Now, there will be a retracement. There will be a retracement. There will be a retracement. Okay? There will be a dip. There will be a pullback. There will be a correction. I just want to make sure I put emphasis on that because some people think Bitcoin is going to go up, 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 up. You're going to see some dips, folks, okay? And if you're not trading the markets, then you just, just continue to hold because the only way you lose is if you sell. All right, when it's going all the way down like that. So hold your coins, folks, or learn how to trade crypto. The company's CEO, Jamie Dimon, has emerged as a prominent critic of Bitcoin. Yep, he has, calling the major cryptocurrency a fraud and a scam back in 2017. Dimon has not changed his negative stance on Bitcoin despite the growing bull run and major companies like PayPal moving into Bitcoin. At the New York Times Deal Book Online Summit on November 18th, uh, Diamond compared the seminal cryptocurrency to proprietary blockchain networks with regulatory controls, stating Bitcoin is kind of different and it's not my cup of tea. I wonder if they're going to mention that he got caught buying some because that was in the headlines too. Right, it's crazy. Despite the CEO skepticism of Bitcoin, October 2020 reported, JP Morgan reportedly told investors that the potential long-term upside for Bitcoin is considerable. Of course it is. Well, y'all bought some, suggesting that the BTC price would be doubling or tripling in the long term. Absolutely. And so, you know, this is crazy, guys, because I remember when that happened, when he said that. He even said he's going to fire his employees if they got caught trading Bitcoin. Like, he's been very negative about Bitcoin publicly, 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 okay? Publicly. Privately, he's been accumulating. He's been in the game, folks. So for me to read this and hear him say all this stuff, knowing what the other hand is doing, calling it a fraud and a scam. And back in 2017, and shortly after that, he got caught. Him and his firm got caught by on the Swiss exchange, like $275 million. I may be off on the numbers, but many of you out there, you were there, you read the story, you saw, and you couldn't believe it like me, right? Shit is insane what these fuckers do, how they get rich and how they portray certain things in the media and all the time behind the scenes. They just accumulate, buying up shit. It's crazy. You know why they do that? Because they say something publicly, they know the price will do this, so they can buy. They come back years later and then affirm it. Oh yeah, Bitcoin, yeah, it's going up, yeah. They play a major game, folks. In these world economics, in this monetary policy, monetary system, guys, it's just insane. Because I study this stuff 6 to 8 hours a day. I'm all in it for the past 3 years. Once I discovered what blockchain was and what it was gonna do, I'm like, man, this is nuts. Crypto is just the extra biscuit. This the blockchain that was disrupting shit. And so once I realized what blockchain was and how it was going to impact the entire world, I'm like, oh my God, I needed to make sure I got up on my shit when it comes to this. So 6 to 8 hours a day, guys, I got all kind of certifications in crypto now. So it's crazy to watch, and it's also amazing to experience. So, folks, this is huge, huge, huge. All right. I'll be back a little bit later on today, guys, with another crypto talk. Talk to y'all soon. Peace.